This shit just locked by itself.
On its own bit. There you go. Yep.
Let's get it. 5 a.m. Workout. Oh my God, Mark.
Yes, sir. This is good. Whatever. My ears super so.
Crazy. I don't know how people live out here. Everybody is just working.
Man, it's cold as hell, folk.
It is cold as hell. Alright, so it's, what time is it? 6 a.m. in the morning in Brooklyn, working out with my guy, Marvin, credit guy. Let me see if I can make him tap out today, so we gonna see, man. That's how we do it. Today we got a full day, so after the workout, got a skit with NDO, doing Marvin podcast, so let's get it. You right, I got two.
Nah, you got four, bro.
I got two. Nah, I feel it already. I got two. Alright, so end of the day workout. To me, the workout was good, but I want to hear it from them. This is a 1,000 calorie day. We burn 1,000 calories in about a almost 2 hour workout. So what you got?
I will never do this workout ever again in my life. This is in all seriousness though. This is one of those workouts that reminds you the power of proximity. You see this dude putting up 405 for 2.
Serious?
Daddy, chill.
Shout out to this dude, man. It was a perfect workout.
And honestly, man, like, you don't just train to train your body, but to train your mental as well.
Nah, kind of like Marvin was saying, right? It's proximity. Me too, right? I haven't done cardio in a minute, no core training, but being around these guys, like, they push me to get in, they push me to hit new weight. So that's really true, right? When you got a group of people that are just pushing you to be better and keep pushing you to hit those new PRs, like, it really just happens like that. So always, like I say, surround yourself with the right people and you'll keep leveling up. So, yeah.
So now we about to head up out of here, probably grab something to eat. I got a skit with NDO in Times Square, and then you're gonna see my guy Marvin later, gonna be doing his podcast.
If I make it to the pod. But now we here, bro. Let's
Yes,
get it.
sir.
I got it.
This man don't like the cold, boy. It's snow on the ground.
Fuck it, bro. New York, and can't live here. I don't know how you live here with all the snow being cold, bro. I need some heat, man. I need some sun. I need some vitamin D.
Pause.
You know what I'm saying? So right now we're about to head out. I got a skit with NDO in Times Square. It's cold as hell. And I got on a suit with no socks, but look, we're gonna do it for the content. We're gonna do it for the content. Y'all be coming out y'all room directly to this shit. Snow. Got the suit on, no socks. We're gonna make it happen.
Man, we out here. It's cold as fuck. Brown man looking for his mask. My boy out here freeze this motherfucking balls off. Nigga ain't got no socks on. No socks. No socks, nigga. It's still fly though. Check, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
So check it out. We just got done shooting Times Square. As you can see with my guy NDO, man.
Hey, yo, blend it up. Stop looking soft. Stop looking sloppy. Stop looking weak, man. Tap in, man. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Put some money in your pocket, man. You got the knowledge, you got the wisdom, man. Tap in with my brother, man. You already know.
That's what it's
We in
about.
Times Square, man. I walk from Jersey to New York, you heard?
To get this money, learn about this funny game. Tap in. Let's get it.
Glory.
You need people like me so you can point your fucking fingers and say that's the bad guy.
So we just wrapped up with my guy Jay Flex. We're gonna do a podcast with him later. Great workout, great conversation, man. And that's what it's about, being in proximity. So just being here in Miami, what I see is when you live in the downtown Miami, Brickell area, you next to the money. You never know who you're gonna meet when you walk in the gym. Everybody's fit out here, but this is what I love, man. Just being around like-minded people that force you to grow and really you can relate to, you know what I'm saying? Being young and having money sometimes, being in the entrepreneurship space, it's not a lot of people you can relate to, just off the rip. But being able to get a great workout in with my guy was amazing. Now we're about to go to my jeweler real quick, get a little sizing going, and yeah, that's it.
The champ is here! The champ is here! Come on, man! The champ is here, man. You looking good. Hey, the champ is here. To drop more sauce, man. You know what I'm saying? He can pull it up. So Miami, man. The champ is here. We're finna go crazy on some fucking sauce. I told him I'm gonna have him and his team looking good. We gotta pull up correctly, you know what I'm saying? We pull up to Miami, man. We got the 26 printer way back. We finna chop some game. We finna hit the studio and go crazy on some fun sauce. Have.
Make sure y'all tune in. Some of the games we're gonna give I ain't never spoke about before, so make sure you tune in. We're giving everything away today.
Come on, man. Exclusive sauce. Let's get it. Come on, man. Yeah, like I said, I just be trying to do a little different, bro. Just put a little, just match my style and swag. You know what I'm saying? I think, and this one just put more effort into it. That's why I tell you, kind of stuff I was building it with you when I was seeing them Google Docs about what I want to do, because I think people doing podcasts and not putting like the spread of the B-roll all this into it, because these podcasts hit these motherfuckers episodes and shit like that, but it's like, it's also everything that's around it too. Right. Like how I'm pushing Smitty shit. Like that's I'm a pusher. Like some people just posted it and it's like drop a couple reels. Nah, I'm trying to push my podcast like a nigga. This a hit record.
And that's
like
what
a studio do, right? Huh?
That's what separates you from the rest.
Yeah, like that's why I think like, oh, hold on. I'm like, nah, bro, fuck that. He needs to get vlogging footage in the Maybach. He needs to get pulled up a certain way. We need to act like, you know what I'm saying? When I act like real life, rocking, talking, kicking, vlogging. So it's like, we can watch this build up to the podcast, then how we hang out after the podcast. I'm just not seeing people making a full thing, and it's like, a motherfucker just a guest on my shit. Nah, you ain't just a guest. Like we actually lock it in now, and so we gotta like put this whole feeling around it, cause all this shit count. Huh?
The details.
That's how I rock. That shit actually count to where like, you know what? I wanna watch that podcast now. I wasn't even interested in watching see that instead, but if they pulled up in the Sprinter, fuck it. I want to see that.
They got my attention. They got my attention.
Why would they pull up like that? This guy is it? So somebody don't know Stead on my platform. Well, why would CJ pull out a Sprinter for him?
Yeah, and why this nigga got a belt on?
Come on now.
Who is he?
Come on now.
Who is he?
Come on now. Yeah, you came with your right swag. Nigga, I'm the motherfucking champion. This how we put it up like that.
It's just like one more. Nigga won't beat me. Come on. Knock your whole ceiling back. Post on Instagram. No, they ain't killing that. How you won't smoke when you ain't got the internet? This shit with the internet. That shit sold, bro. I step on the stupid ass. I got them guns like Iraq. Hey. That's what I said, bro. When I found this nigga, I said, where this nigga been at my whole life?
Nah, you locked in.
Bro.
That might be the one, man.
Hey, I think it's gonna be the one. So right now, if you don't know, we do not pay cash for cars. We gotta finance it. Why? Because we keep that money in our banks, right? And we can use that to invest into assets that make us money. Leverage your credit any way you can. It doesn't make sense dropping $40,000 down on a car when you can finance it, get it zero down, and pay $500 a month. And now you can use that $40,000 to invest into something that's gonna cover that car note plus make you money. We want to think smarter, not harder. Let's get it.